Look how bad it's raining! I'm really glad we left. No! Bye! Oh, Jenna, be careful. Alright, quick. Hey guys, it's Deja. I'm sorry I sound awful right now, but I'm not feeling that great. I was coughing a lot yesterday too, and I didn't go home till like 12:30. That was my dog. But I woke up feeling awful this morning, so I didn't end up going to church with the rest of my family. So yeah, I'm home while they're at church right now. Right now I'm currently editing Friday's vlog. We didn't do a vlog yesterday because me, Connor, Zach, and Gianna, we were all at competition yesterday. Caitlin was at a birthday party, but she really couldn't film because she was too busy having fun at the party. And Abby and Miranda and Marisa, I don't know. Marisa, I know she's going to a family, to see family, so they were driving a lot yesterday. Abby, I have no idea, I haven't talked to her yet. I'm going to talk to her actually right now after I end this video. But yeah, I'm probably going to lose my voice by the end of the day because I sound awful. But make sure you watch Friday the 13th, vlog number 22, I think. Friday the 13th. Go watch that. So yeah, me and Caitlin were in the fall play at our school. So you're gonna see a lot of videos of us like practicing. You're gonna see like us fooling around in the wheelchair that we have, because we had in the show one of the characters in a wheelchair. So, and it's really like, sorry about that, my camera cut me short. But anyways, the show is based on a long time ago, so like the wheelchair is like not modern and like older. So we have a spare wheelchair that we use that's for like from the school that we have just in case we can't use the wheelchair that we're using for the show. So yeah, we just have a wheelchair sitting backstage, so me and Caitlin normally like fool around on it while we're waiting for our scene to come up. And yeah, that's why like in the Friday the 13th vlog and the one right before that, we're fooling around in the wheelchair, because why not? But yeah, that's all for right now. I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Bye. Alright, so I am really bored right now, so I'm going to decorate for Halloween, because we're having a Halloween party for everyone in the photography business, my family, and a couple other friends that we wanted to bring over, because why not? And just so you guys know, Halloween is one of my favorite holidays next to Christmas, because, okay, a lot of people say like Christmas is their favorite holiday because they like giving things. But for me, I don't like receiving things. I like giving people things. I like seeing people happy. And yeah, Halloween is one of my favorite holidays. It's because I get to decorate, and it's like, it's so much fun to like bring your house alive with like Halloween spirit and stuff, and it's so much fun. I just love Halloween. I hope you guys love Halloween too. So yeah, we already did a Halloween video of getting ready for Halloween. I may put some of the clips I put in here in part 2, because I did put a part 1 before. And yeah, let's get started. Alright guys, so my grandparents went all out when I asked them for spider webs. It's like fake spider webs. It brings the house to life. But anyways, I asked them for spider webs, and I was only like thinking like a bag or 2. They got me this. Spider web galore, guys. Let's see, how many bags? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags of spider webs, guys. And that doesn't include the fact that my dad bought me another bag of spiderwebs. So I got 6 bags of spiderwebs, along with the fact that I already had another bag of spiderwebs sitting in my basement. So I have 7 bags of spiderwebs that I could use for outside and inside. That's like, thank you. Yeah. I love putting spiderwebs up, and I think it's going to be cool if I do time lapse of me putting spiderwebs on my house. So that's what I'm going to do. Alright. Guys, so right now we're taking a fall photo shoot of me and my pointe shoes. Ah, my hair! Are you still recording?
Yes.
Okay, bye. Stop it, end it. Guys, so we're on our way to the playground for some more photo shoot pictures of me and my pointe shoes, and Jaylen's gonna take them. We were at Abby and Tyler's house, and we were taking a couple pictures down there. But Abby and Tyler can't play, so yeah, it's just me and her right now. Hi, buddy. I'm just putting my pointe shoes on for pictures. This is gonna be fun. Stop it. Stop. Jenna, seriously, stop.
We're going to be rained out.
It's sprinkling now, and we heard thunder, so we're going home now. And I'm packing up. Wait, where did I put my...
What? What?
My shoe bag. Oh, you have
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Jesus, Jen.
I don't want to get struck by lightning.
No, me either.
And I also don't want to go and point in the rain because I don't want to twist my ankle, because I did that on Friday.
At least we have the only ones out here.
Oh, now it's coming down.
Okay. Well, we'll see you next time. Bye.
At the house. Bye.
Look how bad it's raining!
I'm really glad we left.
Bye!
Oh, Jenna, be careful. Alright, quick. We are soaked.
I know.
Look at Jenna's wearing a white shirt. You can see through it.
I know.
Well, we don't need showers.
Yes, we do.
Oh, that was a mess. I was running in flip-flops. I'm just like, gotta go.
I was running in sandals.
At least you weren't slipping. Because flip-flops and wet
it
feet.
died down when we were trying to run back, but then it...
No, when we finally got into the car, it died down.
I know.
Great photo shoot, guys.
Yeah, we'll do this again, but not on a rainy day.
We'll check the weather next time.
Yes.
Bye.